Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Check your account settings and billing page for your active DB subscription. Look for subscription details, renewal dates, and payment methods. Back up all data and export important files before you start cancellation. Download databases, CSV, and configuration files to local storage or cloud. Note your billing date and any trial end dates within 30 days. Review the service terms for refund windows and cancellation fees. Open subscription settings and select Cancel or Manage Plan to stop renewal. Read each confirmation screen to understand changes and possible fees. Follow on-screen prompts and confirm cancellation within 24 hours to finalize the process. If a support verification step appears, provide the requested information and confirm identity. Request a prorated refund if eligible, and note the refund timeline of remove saved payment methods and revoke API keys to prevent future charges. Check connected apps and integrations and disconnect any that access your DB account. Monitor your bank or card statement for final charges over 30 days and confirm the final billing amount. Contact support within 14 days if charges continue or refunds are missing. Keep all cancellation emails and support chats until your account shows inactive status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.